what is the deciding factor of what you'll do in life? What?
So I say this often. So I would say that my middle name is Confusion. Because I have always just been. I think it's Barack Obama who said that create meaning out of confusion, and I highly kind of echoed with what. I don't think he meant it in this sense, resonated with what he said. Because I think I have just always been a confused being who has just been floating around in some sense. And in hindsight, it's just that things have made sense. And I think, I mean, like I said, I don't think I ever saw myself in the field of stories. But in hindsight, I don't think I could have landed up elsewhere. I mean, it just makes sense.
I think curiosity is a very big foundation for our creativity. You as a writer or filmmaker and everything that you do, you followed your curiosity about the lake,
About artists. As humans, I think you have thousands of things that you're curious about. Eventually, you act upon just maybe 1%, shoot that and speak to these people. And I think that's what is also very interesting. I think with what I do, I just love meeting these people, talking to them, their stories, these spaces that we get to inhabit. And there's a connotation that, creativity and money doesn't go hand in hand, and you're almost deemed as नहीं ये तो पैसों के बारे में बात करती है, तो it's not a nice thing. But I think that's also a misconception, because I think a lot of times people talk about creativity and yes, creativity is important and good work, good stories, all of that.
Is change of bringing about a change, is it part of filmmaking? Does every filmmaker start off as a change maker?
I don't think this is true for all filmmakers. There are a lot of people who strongly believe that films are meant for entertainment, and I am also on their side on this. But I think just the way I've been brought up and the way I perceive films, I feel like it's a platform that allows you to speak about things and tap into an audience and psyche in some way or some sense. And if you're able to just make people think about something, I think that's that's half the battle won in some sense. One thing's that if the content is so-called frivolous, it might be very easy to make, but that's not the case at all. It was the same thing at the same time. So yeah, definitely curiosity, but it's also, I think, about which curiosity you act upon at that particular given time. So I think it's about acting upon that curiosity and the timing of it, and that makes a lot of difference. I think it's a lot about, like you said, right? So let's say there's a curiosity. It's about letting the curiosity reach you, and also sometimes mulling over and ruminating in that curiosity. Sometimes you need to give it that time, especially with writing, I think.
So who's your favorite movie maker?
I think my all-time favorite is Abbas Kiarostami, who's an Iranian filmmaker. Recently, I think Kiran Rao. Her work is really promising, and some of her interviews are extremely resonating. Sorry, I please recommend start with Where is the Friend's Home. It's a very simple, lovely film about this young boy who gets his homework exchanged with his friend, and it's about him trying to find the friend to return the homework. It's like his friend's home to return the homework.
What about documentary filmmaking?
Agnes Varda, a French filmmaker. Some of the Cleaners and I is one of them that I really enjoyed. Yeah.
Sari or jeans?
I don't know why I'm saying sari, although I would wear jeans every day. But right now I want to say sari.
Sari? Yeah. Sari is all over. Social media is full of sari. Like, my question is, where do we wear all these beautiful things and where do we go? There's so much traffic. Yeah. Family or work?
Family.
Documentaries or fiction?
Documentaries.
Favorite phase of life?
School, I guess.
School, okay.
Yeah, I was one of those kids who loved schools.
Truth or romanticism?
Truth. I think that's the phase of life for me.
Rest or hustle?
Hustle.
Yeah. 90s or 2000?
90s. I'm a 90s kid, 90s. But, I mean, yeah, okay, fine, 90s.
Takes or retakes?
I mean, it's difficult to say. Takes, I think. In documentary, it's about takes.
It's about takes, right?
You don't always get retakes. In fiction, it's about retakes, which is possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Books or movies?
I want to read more, so can I say books?